Maybe, I'm just going to throw this out here. I have no idea if it's true or not. It would be really cool if BlackRock were to announce their XRP ETF tomorrow at the Ondo Summit. We'll see. I doubt that's going to happen, honestly, but would be really cool to be here when that happens since I've been talking about it for so long. We got Rick Mr. Johnson. He says, Mr. Muscles, 1, how do you see the predictive crypto volatility from the reverse carry trade on crypto playing out? 2, break down the January 31st crash and what you can see in the next 6 months ahead. Take us down those rabbit holes. Honestly, I don't know. It's hard to predict one way or the other. I just know what the macroeconomics are going to be, right? So those things play out. I do think that there's absolutely going to be volatility. Could XRP get sent lower? Sure. Phoenix is supposed to rise from the ashes, right? Like, am I going to play the game trying to catch that falling knife? Absolutely not. You know, just dollar cost average when I can. The last couple of days have been some really good days to dollar cost average down if you bought over the last year. So, again, can't give you financial advice, can't tell you to buy. But, you know, if you were going to make an allocation, this seems like a decent spot to do it just based on the historical price over the last year. I don't know that we're going to see 20, 30, 40, 50, $1 in that range. We've already seen a big wick down and we've wicked below what we did on 1010. So I think the bottom may be in for XRP. The chart that I like to watch, I look old. Thank you, Sherry. 34, appreciate the confidence. The chart that I like to look at is Bitcoin versus XRP. And if you go look at that chart, it's right back at the level where we've had some strong reactions before. And the big candle on the 1010 did wick all the way back down and clear, clear any stuff to the upside that it missed out on. Again, not a TA guy, not a chart person, but I do think there's some legitimacy to all that. I think Blockchain Backer does a really good job. Shout out to him. He's called this play for play up to this point. I just don't think he sees the black swan that's imminently approaching. And there's a couple things on that, okay? So I don't have my tinfoil hat, but I'm gonna put it on real quick.